Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaways. We have our Boxycharm by Ipsy box. I think I have like one or two add-ons in here as well that I'm super excited about. So I can't wait to find out what's in here. We are giving away one of these items to one of you. Don't even know which one yet. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of July, it is the Glamlight Ice Cream Dream Palette. Super cute. Look in the description box down below. It'll take you under current videos, under current giveaways, it'll take you to link talks about how to enter this one. So giveaways really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Glamlight Rick and Morty palette. Basically the oranges and greens on my eyes today. I've got a brand new, this is your sneak peek. I do have a brand new one of these. This will be our August eyeshadow palette giveaway. So I do have a code for Ipsy if you're interested in checking that out. That's in the description box down below as well to help you out. It helps me out on any future add-ons that I want to do. Like I said, I picked a couple up in here. And so this box is 5 full-size items in here. I did pick up an eyeshadow palette for a future one that we are going to be giving away. Excited for that. I won't show that one right now. What I will show you is I picked up a disqualified Evolution Priming Smoothing Setting Face Powder. Now this one is in pink because I really want to see, I've never tried a pink setting powder underneath my eyes, and it's supposed to really help with those of us with dark circles, so I wanted to try that. I really like the disqualified products that I've tried so far, and I'm just gonna dab. There's a lot of product that was out. It does have a little mesh on the inside as well. I'm just kind of tapping that off. I am gonna type off a little bit on my hand and then just press whatever's left. I don't know. What about you think? Do you think can you tell a difference between this side and this side? Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, what Ipsy says about this box is whether you're jetting off or savoring a staycation, July's Boxycharm has landed to help you slay in the summer itinerary. It's packed with refreshing skincare, vacay-worthy makeup, and everything else you need to glow all summer long. So I did see that I was getting this, and then when I saw the pink one in the add-ons, I picked it up. This is the disqualified Evolution Powder. It does retail for $25. This revolutionary microfine translucent yellow powder is designed with the highest definition for TV, film, and flash photography. With surface refining properties, it helps to minimize the appearance of fine lines and textures while providing a matte finish that lasts all day. And it just says shade 1 here. Let's go into it with our puff, kind of bouncing up and down on that cushion. I do like to take like a little bit on my hand to just kind of dust it off so I don't get a ton. And then let's go in everywhere else. To me, I'm seeing a kind of a blurring thing. What do you guys think? So I completely powdered this. I put the pink earlier underneath here, and then the white kind of underneath here. I mean, what are we kind of thinking? Can you tell the difference between this side? It doesn't have, it has makeup, but it doesn't have a setting powder, and then this side that has a setting powder. Let me know in the comments down below. So I like this one. I think it's a good one. From Volition Beauty is a Celamin Overnight Retinol Serum with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. This guy right here retails for $72. I think the box was like $34, $36, something like that. So it is clean beauty, cruelty-free beauty, retinol, grape seed, antioxidant overload, and hyaluronic acid combine forces in this lightweight serum to help defend your skin against premature aging. Each ingredient does its part to help protect the skin against oxidation, reduce the appearance of lines and wrinkles, and visibly plump and smooth your skin. Here's what the packaging kind of looks like. You know, I love me a good retinol. From Dr. Brandt Skincare is a hydrating serum to highlighter. Does retail for $65. Dreaming of skin that has a gorgeous ethereal glow, this game-changing brightening serum combines high luminosity hydration with a touch of iridescence to reveal radiant glass-like skin. It's infused with ashwagandha root extract and chamomile oil to deliver antioxidant-rich moisturizer while helping to calm and plump your skin. So it kind of looks like this. Let's see if we can put just my hand, that's from earlier swatches. It does really hydrate the skin, and there's a little bit of a shimmer there as well. Just Eczema Cosmetics is a bronzer. It does retail for $25. Get that sun-kissed glow all year round with the versatile light tan bronzer. The creamy powder formula ensures a smooth and seamless application, enhancing all complexion with a natural-looking warmth that screams summer vibes. Mine is in the shade Luna Bright. I have a dog named Luna. And here's what the packaging looks like. And it kind of looks like this. It's a pretty light shade. The last item in here is from Ciate London. It is Cheeky Flush Blush. It does retail for $27. Say hello to Cheeky Flush, also known as your go-to for a natural, long-lasting flush of rosy pink color. Those are my favorites. This high pigment cream blush offers a buildable coverage and adapts to every skin tone, delivering a radiant glow that lasts all day. And here's what she looks like on the inside. That is so, so pretty. Which of the items in here was your favorite? I'm thinking those Denisomyrics were my favorite. What was yours? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know how you guys are doing. Boise hosts their big bass festival this weekend, so we've got people coming in town, some of them staying with us, and it's just going to be a blast, and I cannot wait. So that's what we're doing. Maybe in the next video that I shoot, I'll try and put in some of those pictures, because I know that you guys love seeing those. Secret word of the day is festival. Let's give away that bronzer. I just have a ton of bronzers and much rather pass this on to one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once, and make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify yes you are subscribed to the channel, and put on it that secret word. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years old or older or have your parents' permission to enter. Giveaways open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have this giveaway go through August 2nd, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on August 7th, what I will do is from all the Google Forms, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing. Oh, wait, you can get bonus entries. How the bonus entries work is you fill out the form, and then you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark on it if you did actually do them, because you don't want to get disqualified. So your 4 ways are: number 1, if you go follow me on Instagram, that handle is BeautyAmaB, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on X, formerly Twitter, it's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok, it's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share it with your family, friends, social media accounts. Make sure to tag me on those social media accounts. I love seeing that. And share it with your family, friends. And it's just a way to help the channel grow. And it means the world to me when you guys do it. And I wanted a way to say thank you. Because when we hit that 2,100 subscriber, we'll be doing another big giveaway then. So then on August 2nd, midnight Mountain Standard Time, when it's done, it will take, and the video will go up on August 7th, somewhere right around there. I have to take my son to North Dakota, so I'm not quite sure when that's happened. I think it's happening after that. Don't quote me on that though. Somewhere, I'll let you guys know. Anyway, we will, I'll take from the Google Forms if everybody's supposed to be doing what they're supposed to be doing on those, and also on the bonus centers, put those in the computer. I'll put first name, first initial of your last name in the computer. The computer spins all the names around. The computer picks. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. It just helps out the mailing of the prizes to the winners. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!